How to add contacts on TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device and log in with your account. If you want to add someone who has already sent you a message, open that conversation, then tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Add to Contacts. Tap Create New Account, enter their first and last name, confirm the number, and save it. Once saved, their name will appear in your chat instead of just a number, making it easier to recognize future messages. If you want to add someone who hasn't messaged you yet, you can either send them a message first or add them directly from your Contacts app. Open the Contacts app, tap the plus sign, enter the person's name and phone number, select the correct label for the number like TextNow or mobile, and tap the check mark to save. Now, when you go back to TextNow, you can start a new message by tapping the pencil icon, typing the contact's name, and your message will be ready to send. This way, you can easily add, organize, and message your friends and family. Now you know how to add contacts on TextNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.